Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Ollama with Docker. It's a super simple setup and in just a minute you'll be up and running. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've got Docker installed on your machine. If you don't, head over to docker.com and grab the installer. Once it's installed, you can verify it by opening your terminal and typing docker -- version. Next, pull the Ollama Docker image, open up your terminal and type this command: docker space pull space Ollama / Ollama. This will grab the official Ollama image from Docker Hub. Once the image is downloaded, it's time to run the container. In your terminal, type docker space run space -d space -- name space Ollama / Ollama. This command starts Ollama in a Docker container in the background. -d tells Docker to run it in detached mode. To interact with Ollama, you can use this command. This opens a shell inside a container. From here, you can run Ollama commands or use it as needed. And that's it, you've now got Ollama running inside Docker. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.